How's it going, guys? It's Chris Salazar with Lobo Off-Road here. The day has finally come that we are releasing the Lobo Off-Road Bronco front suspension kit with X-Travel technology.
I'm Nestor with X-Travel. I'm super proud to be able to implement this patented technology into this Lobo front end.
The tie rod and the rack are by far the weakest link on the Bronco 6th generation. That's what inspired us to take our racing background and what we've learned in the off-road side of things, as well as the X-Travel technology, and apply it into this front suspension kit. Not only to give you guys more comfort on the trails, but more reliability to get to the end of the trail.
X-Travel technology is unlike anything you've ever seen. The virtual upper and lower pivot design essentially eliminates all the feedback to the steering wheel and significantly reduces the load to the steering components.
This kit inner pivots are using 1-inch uniballs for the chassis side as well as for the trunnion. This entire kit, including the upper links, lower links, and spindle and trunnion, are all chromoly, as well as we're using stainless steel spacers. Essentially, we designed this kit to take your Bronco to the next level. Here's what we did to create this kit. We made a +4 kit that utilizes 12.5 inches of wheel travel, provides more stability with the width and with the predictable steering, provided heavy-duty serviceable ball joints on the outer, replaceable inner uniballs on the inner pivots as well as the trunnion, a chromoly tie rod extension, and options for shock packages as well as axles. By far, my favorite part about this kit is it is a 100% bolt-on kit. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in purchasing this for your Ford Bronco or you just want to learn more, click the link below. Also, make sure to follow us on all our socials in order to see this thing in action.